Select any of the shape tools. I'm going to go with ellipse, drag and create your ellipse. Select a swatch, any of the colourful gradients, apply that. Then go to layer menu and then down to new mask layer. And that will be associated with that ellipse. Select the mask layer, then go to the paintbrush tool, set the colour to black, and then select a brush, any of the brushes, pens, inks, charcoal, and apply it. Different directions, different angles, and also change the size as well. So you can go select another brush, set the size or width, and then apply it again. Then go to the move tool, then go back to the layers and select the ellipse. Go to layer and rasterize. And once you've done that, it's a pixel layer, and you can go to layer and turn that into a pattern layer. So layer and new pattern layer from selection. And you can move that and resize it. You can also delete the previous layer. Hold down the Alt or Option key to duplicate that design. And you can create multiple pattern layers which you can lay out and align in different ways. You can also go to the bottom of the layers panel, click effects, set it to 3D, change the radius setting, and then close that. And there's your design.